In this video, I want to quickly walk you through Vistaprint. It's a place where you can not only print business cards and flyers and other marketing materials, but
this video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Clothing and bags, where you can see how many different things you can print and you can create your own designs. For example, if you want to do polo shirts, hats, whatever, you can create a blank one, but they also have a ton of custom designs you can choose from and create things like this. You see, basically a whole entire business promotion right on your shirt, or you can have something cuter, kind of like right here on the right side, depending on what your business is. If it's self-explanatory, like a bakery, like this one, then of course you just say bakery. But if it's a little confusing, like mine would be if I just had the URL problemio.com, well, maybe it needs a 1 or 2 or 3 words of explanation. So whatever makes sense for your business, you can create a shirt for your business like that. And what you do is you kind of pick a shirt, and you see it's the price is $54, but that's because it's for 6, so you can choose, just one to try. I would recommend you do one to try, and if you like how it looks, you can print more, because sometimes they don't look exactly how you wanted them, or the make isn't good. Like once you get it, it's not exactly, but once you start designing, you can put all kinds of things in there and dragging and dropping, switching colors, putting your logo, putting your website, text, everything. So it's basically completely up to you, and you can do this with a hat, t-shirts, and essentially almost your entire very casual wardrobe can be this.